fabulous girls rock at the beautiful Biltmore Hotel in Coral Gables, Florida. It's been amazing seeing all of the different vendors, community leaders, and speakers right here in Miami, Florida.
It was a really robust and really exciting panel to be able to watch and learn from.
I got to experience Flourish Media firsthand, their conference, and I met phenomenal women.
A lot of hair products and a lot of lip gloss things too.
So if you would like for Flourish Media to come out and vend at your event or to speak on a panel or lead a workshop, then please let us know by contacting us at mail@flourishmediaco.com.